it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm loving life and everything's great. Oh no.
Another one who needs the truth.
You know how fast you were going?
The speed limit maybe?
Because you could have been going faster with CSP Racing.
What?
And not only going faster with CSP Racing, you could have been going faster for less.
Really? Is there anything that I could do about that now?
Yes, there is. You can go to CSPRacing.com now and sign up for the incredible deals. You can make this thing faster.
Okay, well, thank you.
Get out of here.
Thank you very much, officer.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the CSP YouTube channel. Right behind me, we have a 2022 Chevy Suburban, but it's not just any Suburban. It's an undercover cop car with all these cool blinking red and blue lights on. And the best thing about this is it ain't staying stock. So that's right. The cop came to us and he said, listen, I really want to be able to pull over more cars just like the one in the beginning of the video. Well, the only way to do that is to boost your cop car. So that's what he wants to do. And that's where we come in. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put a Magnuson 2650 on this beast, and we're also gonna throw in a Texas Speed cam, a custom grind cam from CSP, Texas Speed ported heads, and we'll finish that off with a nice exhaust and some caddy connection pipes from Cook's. Not only does this cop wanna go fast, but he also wants to stop fast too. So he also requested us to put on a big Brembo brake kit on this truck, which is gonna be insane. So I am really excited about this. I mean, look at this thing. Would you guys even think that this was a cop car without the lights on? Obviously, it just looks like a blacked out SUV. Yeah, the tint's really dark. I mean, you can barely see in there. I think it's like 5% or even less. I mean, you can't even see in there. I mean, it's crazy. Yeah, this thing is it's gonna surprise some people out on the road there. So we're pretty excited to have this thing here at our shop. So what we're gonna do is we're going to throw it on the dyno. We're gonna get some baseline numbers for you guys. And then we'll pull the motor out, and then we'll put the camshaft in, we'll put the ported heads on, throw the blower on, put it back in. And after that, it's dyno time. But first, we're gonna have to do another shameless plug because Andrew loves his shameless plugs.
Do you know how fast you were going? Because you could be going faster with Complete Street Performance. It should be illegal to have prices as low as we do, but we still have them.
I was going to downshift because we can't control the transmission, so we're going to have to actually run it through the gears. $375. Okay, so we're going to kind of have to go with those like higher numbers there. It looks like we're getting a little bit under 5,000, maybe 5,000-ish RPM to about 6,000 RPM in the top part of that graph. Let's run her again. Consistent, it's 370. Well, now that we've got our baseline, it's time to actually make this thing faster because this thing is slow as shit. So let's do it. Okay, we're gonna flood clear this now. Make sure that you know, she's gonna build some oil pressure and no things go clickety clack because you don't want that.
That sounds healthy. That sounds great.
I'm ready to fire her up.
What would you guys do if you saw Andrew driving this car with lights behind you? Let us know in the comments.
Like report me to the police, and then we'd have an issue.
Putting her on the dyno. Of course, Andrew has to turn on the lights just because. I mean, I'd be doing the same thing too.
Yeah, why not?
He wasn't very happy. It's so ridiculous.
Wow. I got a problem. I gotta hook this back up.
Where'd you pull it out of the socket? Well, it looks like $5.95.
This has a lot more in it. It's just we're running out of fuel, which is a shame.
There you go, $5.95.
We need a low side fuel system to really open this thing up.
We should go ask the UPS guy what he thinks.
I think he left. He's like, I don't want to be a part of this shit.
So now that we have all the post-modification power numbers from this thing, I'm gonna show you some clips of us putting this big brake kit on because it's pretty. So guys, here is that huge Brembo brake kit in all of its glory. I mean, that thing is a monster. These wheels are 22 inches. Just to give you a reference on how big those rotors are, they're probably bigger than most people's wheels. I mean, even the back here, look at this. The backs are enormous. Like, that's crazy. They look awesome too. I'm really glad that he decided to go with like that gloss black caliper. I mean, this entire thing is blacked out. He'll be able to stop on a dime, like literally. So that's pretty cool. I also want to get a nice little idle for you guys because this thing sounds great. Oh yeah. I mean, listen to that. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous when you think about it. Like, imagine just like, you know, sitting at a stoplight with this thing. It's chopping hard. And then you're like, okay, I'm about to race this guy. He's got tinted out windows. I don't even care. And then all of a sudden, he does one of these things and puts on these. And you're like, ooh, yeah, I'm screwed. It's just ridiculous. It's just awesome. I don't know. I don't know what to say. It is also cool though that our law enforcement does appreciate a nice build and they like to modify their vehicles too. I mean, who wouldn't want that, right? It sounds awesome. Yeah, dude, this thing is sick. So I'm really happy with this. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. What would you do if you pulled next to this thing at a stoplight, or worst case scenario, you know, God forbid, you get pulled over in one of these things? What would you do? Let us know below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And as always, have a great day.
It is actually driving really, really nice, idling nice. We're done. We're, you know,
We're back at the shop and ready to rip.
This thing drives great. I think you might really like it.
Ooh, is that Rob? It is Rob. Let's light him up. Oh, he's stopping. That's weird. Oh my gosh! Okay, let's tell him he sucks. Dude, where's your dad?
He's in the back.
Dude!
Vroom, vroom, I want to go fast.